What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to do the pixel stretch effect. If you don't know what the pixel stretch effect is, I'll put some pictures up here for reference, but basically is where you create a selection from an image and you stretch out the pixels for a cool effect. I edit most of my stuff on my phone, so I'll be using an app called Picsart for this tutorial, and there's different ways of doing this, so if you want to learn the way I do it, make sure you watch the video to the very end. If you like the video, if you like the content and you want more of this, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. For this tutorial, we're going to be using this vibrant and colorful Bad Bunny picture. The first step is to click on the Tools tab and then tap on Selection. In here, you're going to go ahead and make a really thin selection and make sure you pick a spot with a lot of colors. Once you have made your selection, go ahead and stretch it as far left as possible to create the pixel stretch effect. Go ahead and lower the opacity of the selection and position it where you want the effect to be. Now click on the erase tool and erase the parts of your subject you want to be shown. You can play around with these settings, and after you're done erasing, your image will be ready. Remember that the more time you take doing this, the better the result will be, so don't rush to finish. After you're done, click the check in the top right corner and bring the opacity back to 100 to reveal your finished product. This is the before and after. If you guys have any questions or have any more requests for tutorials you want me to make sure you leave them down in the comment section down below.